There's growing debate over whether the president's actions in Venezuela were in fact legal and did they violate the UN Charter. Joining us tonight to discuss it all is U.S. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche. Mr. Blanche, thanks so much for joining our broadcast tonight. I know you're incredibly busy. I do want to start, though, with the UN Charter, which the U.S. has signed, saying it won't attack a sovereign nation. Did this arrest violate that charter?
Hi, how are you? No, absolutely, positively not. And any real debate around that should have been settled by what's been discussed since what happened on Friday night and Saturday morning. The United States has an absolute legal right to go and arrest people charged with horrible crimes, including narco-terrorism, which is what these two individuals are charged with. And so this was not an invasion of a country. This was not us going in and doing something that violates any international law. It was us going and securing the arrest of two individuals wanted for very, very serious crimes in the United States.
But as you know, there are a lot of questions about the legality of all this. And Maduro himself in court said he was kidnapped. What was the Office of Legal Counsel's role in all of this? Did they have a role? Did they offer a new opinion ahead of this operation?
The Department of Justice, the Department of War, the Department of State, the White House, we of course did everything within the law. There's no doubt. The fact that the defendant today suggested he was kidnapped, he was handcuffed and taken into U.S. custody to face charges in a U.S. courtroom like thousands of defendants are across this country every year. And so, yes, of course, we operated within the law. We don't do things that are outside the bounds of the law. And any question to the contrary, especially now that we've seen the indictment unsealed. We've seen what happened since Saturday. He's now appeared in federal court along with his wife, and they have counsel. They will get their day in court. But no, there's no violation of law. What we did was not only right and not only legal, but it's what the American people expect us to do when we file charges against individuals like him.